Now, the crypto market is extremely volatile, and with everything going on between China and the United States right now, you guys can read through the headlines. A lot of people are left wondering, what is next? Well, you know what? Let me tell you what's next. I can't predict the future, but we can look to the past. These were the exact same conversations that we saw, I don't know, 6 to 8 months ago when everybody was concerned about tariffs. Here we are, having the same talks, having the same concerns, the uncertainties, the same doubts and fears, and we know how it played out last time, and it should play out very similarly this time, which would lead to new all-time highs. Now, with that, I obviously continue to buy. We're going to be talking about it because Shiba Inu coin is doing an okay job recovering off of those lows, and it says that Shiba Inu coin aims for recovery after descending trendline breakout. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we're going to be jumping into Shiba Inu coin in a second here, but I do want to say thank you guys very much for watching the videos on this channel. I cannot post on my other channel for another few months, so if you want to continue watching the videos, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I am accumulating. I'm buying Shiba Inu coin, absolutely, but I'm also buying tiny little tokens like Snorter token. Now, Snorter only has 5 days and 22 hours left in its ICO, and this is a Telegram-based trading bot on the Solana network. If you roll through the website, which you got down in the description there, you can see everything that they've got to offer. They're one of the fastest, one of the safest, and one of the most beneficial trading bots on the Solana network. If you put it up against its competition, Maestro, Trojan, Banana Gun, Bunkbot, and Soul Trading Bot, you can see that it checks all of the boxes off of this list. It is cheaper, it is faster, and it has more features than a lot of the other ones. So not only do I plan on using the Solana-based trading bot, I've already invested into this Solana-based trading bot here. I have bought in. That does not mean that you should buy in, but definitely check it out, because as this market recovers, I expect that meme coins will thrive. I know they've been hit hard over the last couple of days, but the bottom-up recovery could lead to massive gains, which is why I'm so interested in diversifying into some of these smaller assets here. So make sure to check it out. You guys can grab it with crypto, grab it with a card, however you want to do it. It's a very easy process, and I like to use Best Wallet. So if you guys need to download that, you got a link for it down in the description as well. So make sure to check it out. But let's go over what's happening with Shiba Inu coin right now, because a lot of people are left wondering, right? And you can see it. I mean, it's evident in the fear and greed sitting in a neutral territory. Altcoin season back down into this sort of no man's land here. And then, of course, the RSI fading between oversold and neutral territory as well. But Shiba Inu coin could be on the verge of a nice recovery. It says a bullish pattern is now developing on the Shiba Inu coin chart with its target possible retest of price levels before the recent price crash. It says the outlook from TradingView analysts said that the commentary identified Shiba Inu coin's breakout, which has fueled the prospect of a price recovery. Now, the analysts identified that Shiba Inu coin just broke above a descending trend line on the 4-hour time frame. Notably, the meme coin traded above this trend line prior to the October 10th crash, which sparked a steep correction to 670 points per coin. Guys, this was astronomical. This drop right here. A lot of people, look, my ears were burning. The market was falling so fast and so hard and so incredibly on Friday evening. This move from 1,200 points per coin to 660 points per coin saw hundreds of billions of dollars wiped out of the market in about a 10-minute period. It was nothing short of phenomenal, right? And if you were watching it happen, I'm sure you're going to remember that for a very long time. We watched, hundreds of billions of dollars wiped out of Bitcoin alone. And then altcoins were down 50 to 70%. Now, the good news is, okay, following all of these liquidations, stop losses hit, and all of that, Shiba Inu coin and other cryptocurrencies recovered very, very swiftly. Now, I know that we're still down, okay? I know that there's still concern out there. But this was a massive, dip buy opportunity for a lot of people, already driving the price from 660 points per coin back up above 1,000 points per coin. Now, with that, you can see that we are testing the major support level that Shiba Inu coin has been in the entirety of 2025. I still do not doubt that we will see a bull market rally. I still do not doubt that Shiba Inu coin and the rest of the market can recover beautifully. It says, after consolidating below for some time, Shiba Inu coin pushed the trend line on October 12th, showing signs of a momentum shift. Interestingly, the meme coin continued in that path, reaching highs of about 1130 points per coin on Monday. Now, according to the analysis, holding above the support trend line suggests renewed buying pressure, and this is a positive sign for Shiba Inu coin as it signals interest among market users despite its obvious price underperformance in recent months. So, with that, guys, I continue to accumulate. It is tough to go out there and hold through this, but look, I can't predict the future, right? But let me say this. If you made it through Friday, a lot of you did. Some people didn't. But if you made it through Friday, you made it through the worst liquidation in cryptocurrency history. You made it through the worst day in crypto's history. Number one, congratulations for that. Number two, no matter what comes from here on out, unless we make history, you will never experience a worse day. Think about it that way. You've made it through the worst. The best is yet to come. Now, with that, you guys got links for everything down in the description below. Let me know what you're buying, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.